Welcome to the Peak Railing Designer, the quickest and easiest way to plan, price, and order railing. Use the designer to easily design custom Peak aluminum railing projects on desktop, mobile, and tablet. To get started, we need to name our project, select the type, residential or commercial, and enter the location for detailed pricing and code compliance. Let's create the project. The system will present a set of predefined projects that represent the most popular railing designs. These are a great starting place in which the design can be adjusted to the exact dimensions of the project. The last selection is used to create your own design from scratch. Let's select the three-sided deck attached to a wall. The system will display a 3D view of the railing project. When in the 3D view, the project can be rotated and zoomed in and out by using a mouse on a desktop browser or with the finger gestures on a mobile device. To change project dimensions or add feature to the project, we need to change to the 2D view. To do this, simply select the 2D button. In this view, dimensions can be adjusted, objects such as stairs and walls added, and new structures can be created. In this case, we'll simply adjust the dimensions of the current deck to a width of 20 feet and a depth of 9 feet 6 inches. It's easy to add other items. To add stairs, simply select the stair icon, drag it onto the project canvas, choose the desired location. Once the wall is highlighted, release it and adjust as required. Walls, gates, and round or square columns are added in the same way. To have a look at the revised project, select the 3D button. The system will now display the updated project in the 3D view. In 3D view, the color, style, and mounting options of the railing project can be changed. Select the Change Style button to change these options. We'll change the color to white, change the style to 6-inch clear glass panels, and we can change the mounting options to fascia mounts. At any point within the 3D view, a detailed parts list with prices can be generated. Select the Generate Parts List button to view the parts list. A detailed list of all components is provided with links to the product pages on homedepot.com. The item and total project price are displayed. The parts list can be downloaded, printed, or emailed. Thank you for using the Peak Railing Designer.